Did you ever walk into a specialty coffee shop and look at all those menu options and have no idea what you were going to get? Well, we're going to clear up some of that stuff for you. Cappuccino is one of the more popular drinks that's on an espresso menu. And what it traditionally is 1/3 espresso and 1/3 steamed milk and then 1/3 frothed milk on top. If you do the math on that, if your espresso is 1.5 to 2 ounces and that's 1/3 of your drink, you're probably going to have a 5 or 6 ounce drink, at least in a specialty coffee shop. Cappuccinos were originally named after the Capuchin monks, and the color of their robes matched the color of the drink, so that's kind of how it got its name. It's going to be real sweet and flavorful because you got that fantastic frothed milk and warmed milk on there with a little bit of coffee aftertaste.